Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about reduction variable. So I will put about u equals to this one. Now, if I do first derivative for the both sides, we have the u over the s. So y in here. First derivative of y, you got dy over the s. First derivative of s, you got about number 1. So we have negative number 4. Because we don't have negative number 4 in here, so we put negative number 4 go to the left. And then we have the u over the s plus 4 equals to dy over the s. So this one we change by u, and we have u square. Dy over the s we change by this one. Next, we put number 4 go in here. We have negative number 4. Next, u square minus 4 we put on the left, the s we put on the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. This one is about identity. We can write into u minus 2 and u plus 2. Next, I will put about number 4 in here. So we have number 4 in here. 4 divided by 4, they cancel. And then we return back to the u. Because I want to create about the factor to divide by u minus 2 and u plus 2. About number 4, that's about 2 plus 2. Next, I will put about negative u in here. That means we need to add u in here. So negative u plus 2, that's about negative, open the parenthesis, and we have u minus 2. So this one divide by this one, and this one divide by this one. So we will have about 1 over u minus 2 negative 1 over u plus 2 du. So we have the final answer. The integration of this one in here, we have ln of the absolute value of u minus 2. The integration of this one in here, we have negative ln of the absolute value of u plus 2. The integration of the s, we have s, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. Now let's go to the second one. We can do about factorization by number 3. Next, I will divide both sides by the s. Now, we apply about the same technique. So, I will put about u equals to s plus y. If I do first derivative for the both sides, we have the u over the s. First derivative of s, you got about number 1. First derivative of y, we have dy over the s. Because we don't have number 1 next to dy over the s, So we put number 1 go to the left. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. dy over ds we change by this one. Next, I will put u go to the right. And we have negative u. Later that we divide both sides by this one. We put negative number 1 go to the right. And we have positive number 1. Next, about number 1, we can do about common denominator. So we have 3u minus 4 over 3u minus 4. So negative we put in here. 3u minus u, you got about 2u. And we put negative number 4 in here. And now, the s we put on the right, this one we put on the left. So we will have about 3u minus 4 over 2u minus 4. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, number 2, number 4, we can do about factorization. You have u minus 2. So I will put number 2 outside. Now, I need to create the factor to divide by u minus 2. So I will need to put about negative number 6 plus 2. Because negative number 6 plus 2, you got about negative number 4. And then we can do about factorization in here. U minus 2 divided by u minus 2, you got about number 3 in here. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 3, we have 3u. The integration of number 2 over u minus 2, we have 2 ln of the absolute value of u minus 2. The integration of the s, you got about s, and we put about c. About u, that's about s plus y. This is the end. Thank you for watching.